ask Dr. Urim Veseli, the head of International Cooperation Department from the Crisis Management Center.
Thank you, Mr. Shale. Dear academician, Dr. Abdomeno Zajeti, dear Deputy Chief of the Mission in the U.S. Embassy in the Republic of North Macedonia, Ms. Jennifer Zibojon, dear Dr. Denise Batten, Dr. Eyüp Turmuş, dear professors, ladies and gentlemen. Please allow me to express my sincere appreciation to the Southeast European University Academician Professor Dr. Abdomeno Zajeti, Director of the Southeast European University, and the young researchers engaged in the project, Dr. Visar Shehu, Dr. Adrian Besimi, and Dr. Agam Doshi for organizing this event. I would like also to thank our Next Generation Incident Command System project partners from the Republic of North Macedonia and the region. Also, the NATO SPS Science for Peace and Security PAV, the MIT Lincoln Lab from the United States. We greatly appreciate your support and look forward to the continuing our partnership and cooperation. A key activity of the Advanced Regional Civil Emergency Coordination Project in the Western Balkans is to enable improvement of the crisis and emergency response and management capabilities in the Republic of North Macedonia and the region as well, with the use of NICS as a multi-country collaborative situational awarenesses and communication platform. This improving international cooperation, which is one of the NATO's key objectives. NICS as advanced technology that has been developed in the field of crisis and emergency management is a web-based tool for the spatial display and handling incident in real time. The NICS platform is based on one of the concepts of incident command system, methodology and accumulated experience from the United States, enabling integration with existing national system represented by an open platform which can be joined by a large number of interested institutions. NICS Laboratory at the Southeast European University in Petrov will contribute for enhancement of the quality of education with students and professors as well. Also in the 3 cycles of the higher education. This laboratory will be used as a virtual reality lab and will be an excellent asset also for the national preparation of the NATO ERDRCC exercise North Macedonia 2021 in September next year. In this regard, I would like to thank you once again to the Southeast European University for the successful cooperation and also welcome their initiative to promote the NICS Virtual Reality Lab in order to contribute to the digitalization of the crisis management system in the Republic of North Macedonia through the NICS project. Thank you very much.